Okay. Ooh. Sorry. I'm doing some scrambled eggs and French toast for lunch because, well, to me, I feel like it's filling and it's just good. I also think too much eggs is probably not good for you. Yep. She noticed it. Boom. Eggs, milk, and syrup. Mm-mm. Squirrely bird. You looking at them boys because you want to fight. You're mean. You know that? I just feel like I gotta do this fast. It's like growing up, my dad always did this super quick. He was always trying to show off, and now I feel like I need to do that, but I can't. Like, my arm's getting tired. But I feel like they could look better, you know? This is what it's like cooking with Miss Squirrely Bird Jenkins over here. Oh, these look nice. Yeah, just need a little pepper. I don't use salt. Oh, okay, so she's leaving. I guess that we're done here. I don't know if I should continue this. I mean, who's gonna watch it, really? All he sees a weird arm and some eggs. That stuff. Oh, it doesn't even... Oh. Well, it's Schnucks. Store brand syrup. It's like $2. I get store brand eggs, 30 of them, for under $5. They usually last about a week because we use a lot of eggs in this family, and there's 3 of us, 2 boys. Well, 1 man, 1 boy. Okay, I don't know. Should I continue this, or... Because I don't really like showing my face. I guess I could wear a mask, but that'd be weird. Huh. Oh, plus my hair's a mess. I dyed it black the other day, and then the black was coming out and turning brown, so then I bleached it again. And now it's like a really weird light to medium brown / orange. And then I tried the purple on my bangs or the front of my hair to see how that turned out. And the purple looks good. It's just, you know. Can you see it? Sorry. Ugh. Oh, that's cool. Oh, there's something. Alright. So I got the stove on, so I'm gonna just like cook and I don't know. just do a lot of hand movements. Do I have to do this too?